A 59-year-old man came to the ER. It was discovered that he was bleeding from the vein that is accompanied by the posterior interventricular artery. Which of the following veins is most likely ruptured? The correct answer is B, the middle cardiac vein. The middle cardiac vein ascends in the posterior interventricular groove, accompanied by the posterior interventricular branch of the right coronary artery. For the other choices, the great cardiac vein is accompanied by the anterior interventricular artery. The anterior cardiac vein drains directly into the right atrium, and the small cardiac vein is accompanied by the marginal artery.